Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating or opening the Teams meeting because the join link is generated there. Once you have the meeting open, locate the meeting details and tap Copy Link. This copies the join URL to your clipboard. Make sure to check meeting options like lobby and presenter roles so recipients get proper access. Doing that now prevents interruptions later, and it ensures the link works for attendees without extra clicks. Next, open WhatsApp on the device you copied the link on. Mobile and desktop both support pasting links. Choose the chat or create a group or broadcast list depending on whether you want replies visible to all. Paste the Teams link into the message box and add a short preview, meeting title, date and time, and a one-line agenda so people know why to join. This reduces confusion and increases the chance attendees will click through at the right time. Finally, send the message and verify the link preview appears. Once sent, ask one colleague to test join so you confirm access. If WhatsApp strips the preview, paste the raw URL or attach an Ike's calendar file from Teams to give a clickable invite. If someone can't join, make sure you didn't restrict the meeting lobby or misset presenter roles. And if copying fails, reopen Teams, recopy the link, or restart apps to refresh the clipboard. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.